Hello, Teague Tigers. Today's math warm-up is another Esti-Mystery, where estimation meets math mysteries. Just like the other ones, this comes to us from Steve Wyberney and his website, where we're finding all these really cool activities. This is mystery number 304, triangular prisms. Now, just a reminder that you're going to want something to write on and something to write with as you are doing this activity. So how many triangular prisms are in this glass? As the clues appear, you're going to use the information to narrow the possibilities to a smaller set. And after each clue, you'll use estimation again to determine which of the remaining answers is the most reasonable. So go ahead and write down your first estimate. And then after each clue, you'll see if your estimate is still a possibility. And then after each clue, if it's no longer possible, you write down a new estimate. Cross out your old one and write down a new one. And be prepared to explain why you chose it. Remember, you're probably going to want to take a picture of your work and submit it to your teacher, or maybe your teacher might set up a flip grid for you to record yourself explaining your answer and your reasoning. But here we go. Let's get started with our clues. I hope you've got your first estimate. Oh, and you may want your multiplication chart for this. If you don't have one, you can probably look one up or make one. You've been practicing making one. You may want to use that for this because there's going to be a word in there that I'm going to have to explain. So clue number 1. The number is less than 70. So if you picked something 70 or higher, you need to change your answer. Clue number 2. The answer does not include the digits 1, 3, or 5. Clue number 3. The answer is an odd number. Remember, evens and odds. And clue number 4, the answer is a prime number. Now, we haven't learned that, so let me go over that really quick. A prime number is not a multiple of anything but 1. So you can't get it by multiplying numbers together except the number itself and 1. It's not going to be on your multiplication chart. So if the number that you have written down can be found somewhere on your multiplication chart, then you need to change it to something else. Remember, the answer is going to fit all of these clues. It's going to be less than 70. It's not going to include 1, 3, or 5. It's going to be odd. And it's going to be prime, which means you won't be able to find it on your multiplication chart. We ready to see the answer? After seeing the clues, you've narrowed down the possibilities to a small set of numbers. Before you see the answer, select your final estimate, write it down, and explain to someone why you chose that number. Okay, sorry, I lied before. So here's the answer. We ready? 47. The answer is 47 triangular prisms. See, it's odd. It doesn't have 1, 3, or 5 in it, and we don't find the number 47 anywhere on a multiplication chart. You cannot multiply any whole numbers together and get 47. So I hope you enjoyed this activity and have fun with your math today. Have a great day, Tigers.